Here is a wonderful 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Traverse is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, third row seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, remote engine start, fog lamps. Stay calm. Traverse on. Take a test drive.